Here I have Motorola Moto X40, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and that's how the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again: power key, volume down, and that's how it's done. So one last time: volume down, power key, so easily. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots section, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit, search with blends, or delete your screenshots, and also perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.